In my previous video, I showed you how you can use Canva on your computer to create social media posts to save time, money, and create consistent branding. Now, this is the Canva app that is available on iPhone or Android. You can see from the near the top here are the different templates you can create. So for example, Instagram posts is on the very right. There's some common categories of Instagram posts. However, you can also click on see all and see all of them. But for example, let's just look at winter Instagram post. There are free templates you can use and there are paid templates. So if it has the coin icon there with a number, those are Canva credits that you can purchase. You can also buy a membership and use Canva Pro, and there's a lot more features in that one. But honestly, I just use a free account. So for example, I click on the one on the right here, not all those who wander are lost. Click on edit, and I can change the font. I can change the picture in the background, and I of course can change what's said here, and you could change the colors. So let me show you on another post, as well as how to find the other templates. You can just scroll up, and then you can actually see some sample templates here. And I'm just focusing on the social media posts, but of course you can use Canva to create, as you can see, posters, flyers, invitations, business cards, and so on. Oh, there's a Twitter post here. Why don't we do a Twitter post? I haven't done a Twitter post in a while that was custom sized to Twitter. So let's say I want to use this template, but it's not spring right now, it's winter. So I want to change the image. So you have to click around till you get the right, there it is, there's the image. I want to change the image. I can choose something that's on my phone already. I have a Christmas tree photo here. That could work. That could work. And then I can change what's said here. Christmas time is here. For example, and so on. Now, that's a great way to create a social media post, but what if I want to change, what if I want to brand this? Because we want to create that consistent branding. There's a few things I can do here to create that branding. One is the colors. I can use my colors. I happen to already saved my brand colors, one of my brand colors, which is this purple. However, let's say I didn't have that available. I didn't have that already saved. I can click on the plus sign under brand colors. What you'll need is the hex number, which is the web number for your color, your brand colors. So your graphic designer can help you do that, or I can show you in a later video how to use a free app to pick out your colors and get your numbers. So it's already saved in here, but I had that number saved. So you just paste it in there, click on the check mark, and then that's the brand color. So that's one way you can change the colors to create consistency in your branding. The other is the font. So you have to be sure that your font is in here. If it's not, you might need to choose something that is similar, but that's definitely up to you on how you're going to do that. So font, colors, and then the last thing you can do to create your brand is upload your logo. Now, it's not going to look good on this particular post. I wouldn't use my logo the way it is for this post, but just again, as an example, here's my logo. I wouldn't make it diagonal either, but there we go. So again, just a quick example is to click on the plus sign, click on image. Your logo would need to be saved on your phone, and there you go. If you wanted to, so again, if you want to, you can change this, change your logo, add your logo to create that branding. Now, if you want to save the image, you click on the down arrow on the top right corner. So that's the download image. The other icon with the blue arrow that goes up is you can directly upload your design here to a social media site. I'll click that now so you can see. I haven't had great luck with this. It often, I think it loses the connection and it doesn't work for me. So I just download the image. As you can see, I could have saved the image from here. So save as image, save as, save with transparency, and so on. Or you just click on that down arrow and it's saved. And it's already on my phone. And it's asking if I want to upload it. All right. One other thing I wanted to show you are the designs. So once you create your designs on Canva, it saves it all for you under designs. And so you can also create your consistent branding by reusing a template. So you can mix it up. What I like is to have several templates that have my colors, and then I can mix it up, mix the quotes up, maybe change up the colors. So for example, here is one that I created with my purple. I could change up the purple into this is not my exact green, but for example, let's say that is my green. Change the saying to another quote. Dream even bigger. Oops. Something like that. So again, creating that consistent branding by reusing templates that are brand approved. So that is the Canva app. It's free to use, has great templates on it, saves all your designs, and it's something you can use over and over again to create consistency, save time, save money with your social media posts.